Millets restaurant. I must say, like by Rakul Singh, like first branch.
This is the only dine-in restaurant for now, and
okay.
we operate.
So what are the new dishes she has made? Like came up with that idea or creative?
So basically, she like millet vegetable khichdi.
What kind of healthy food you're providing as compared to we talk about outside?
We majorly concentrated on idli and dosa. This is
Okay.
made up of finger millet and sorghum.
Okay.
And coming to North Indian dishes like paratha and all, this consists of.
Well, welcome to my show Trendsetters. Well, today now new trend has come. Celebrity restaurants. So many celebrities are opening their own restaurant in Hyderabad city. I think Hyderabad is now again getting a big boom in the field of restaurant. So well, now it's a new restaurant Arambham in Hyderabad by Rakul Preet Singh. Rakul Preet Singh has launched this own. I'm talking about not the normal one. That's her own restaurant. She own it, and I mean, she came up with a new concept of millets, like the all jowar, ragi, millets, the kind of nutrition food you can have it here. So let's find out. Actually, she is a fitness freak, you know, she's more fit about her health and everything, but she's more concerned about her fans also, I think. So she came up with this concept. So let's find out what is all about this restaurant. Let's take you for a small tour and what kind of food they are serving and what's her favorite food. So please come, let's go. So let's go inside. So now we are inside the Arambham restaurant, and well, Rakul Preet Singh is not there. She always there to support us, especially she always support me, but due to some work reason she's not here, but we got the right person who can give her more details about the food, about the ambience. So let me first welcome you, sir. You are Mr. Venkat, right?
Yes, yes.
So, I mean, that's happened, you know, that's okay. So I just want to start with, you know, what's the name Arambham? First, the name is so catchy.
So,
do you know the history or word name?
Yeah. Basically, Arambham means start.
Okay.
Every day we need to start our day with a healthy food.
Yeah.
You can see Arambham is a Sanskrit word, and it is same. It gives same meaning across multiple languages like Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. In every language, Arambham means start. That's why we choose this Arambham. And coming to logo, it is a rising sun. You
Okay.
can see. Shall I show the?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, what do you want to show?
So this is our logo. You can see the sun. From the sun rays, we have designed this logo.
Okay. So that was. So I
This
just
is
want
the
to
sun.
know, as Rakul is again there in her own brand, obviously,
Yeah.
how you met Rakul Preet Singh and what is the coordination goes?
So
because
basically-
you are handling the main part.
Yeah, basically we Cure Foods are into food business from the ages. Rakul is a foodie, and she is very interested in fitness also. So she has a thought of venturing into F&B segment, and when we pitched this idea to Rakul, she is very excited and she immediately accepted.
How you come in touch? Like how you were together? Like you met each other?
Basically, our CEO Ankit has some kind. Our CEO Ankit, Cure Food CEO,
Okay.
founder, he approached Rakul.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then
Yes,
you
yes.
met her.
Yes, yes.
So what is this all about? If we say Arambham, what new dishes or what kind of healthy food you're providing as compared to we talk about outside?
So basically, whenever you think healthy means salads will come into your mind, juices will come into your mind, some sprouts. We can't eat that everyday basis. We thought we will start the healthy food and fed up after having 2 to 3 times. So we thought we should make the day-to-day food healthy. See, you can have idli and dosa every day, but you can't have salads every day, right?
Yeah.
That is how this idea was born. We need to convert our day-to-day food into healthy.
Okay.
That might be parota, that might be paratha, that might be pulao. So we just want to change the regular food into healthy, and that's how we start. We converted every cuisine into
Healthy food.
Yes.
Like most of the millets, what kind of ingredients you are using?
So basically, in our menu, we use foxtail millet, bajra, finger millet,
Okay.
and sorghum millet. Coming to breakfast, we majorly concentrated on idli and dosa. This is
Okay.
made up of finger millet and sorghum.
Okay.
And coming to North Indian dishes like paratha and all, this consists of bajra,
Oh,
ragi and jowar.
wow, that's
These-
great. So I think lot of research has happened,
Yes,
you know.
yes, yes. See, few millet will work for few kind of dishes. We can't make
Everything.
Yeah, we can't make everything with one millet. We did R&D for almost 1 year. We segregated few millets to few dishes. That is how. For now, we use only 4 type of millets.
Okay,
Yeah.
so let me come up with a small tour, you know, how the interior is. It's very simple and
Yeah.
sober. So I just want you to come and show us what is this all about? We
So
talk about
basically,
this
these
idea.
are the type of millets.
I think interior come the information
Yeah,
is
we
what
just
we are
want
eating.
to.
Yeah.
We just want to educate the people. These
Okay.
here you can see all type of millets. We have finger millet, foxtail millet, pearl millet. Everything
So
is
these
there.
are the millets made up of items food we will
Yes,
get here.
yes, yes.
So just to give the information and
Yes.
use it as interior work also.
Sorry?
As a part of interior also, it looks
Yeah, yeah.
good.
Yes, yes.
So whose idea is this?
Basically, we have designers. Yeah,
Okay.
They give the design, and even in design part, reviews part, testing part, Rakul also involved very well. She take reviews once in a
Week or
Yeah.
month. Okay, so we'll go.
Even she curated few dishes also.
Also, Rakul has come up with new dishes also. So what are the new dishes she has made, like came up with that idea or
So
curated?
basically, she like millet vegetable khichdi,
Okay.
and that is a huge success.
Okay.
And we have millet kheer.
Okay.
These two are the major success for now. And millet puri is the best-selling item.
Millet puri, okay. So what is her favorite? As you told, she has created, so must be her favorite.
Yes, yes.
But when she comes
Her,
here,
her comfort food is a homely vegetable khichdi and millet kheer. She like this item.
so whenever she comes here, what she
Yeah.
orders the most dish?
Vegetable khichdi.
Vegetable khichdi.
Yes, yes.
That's made up of millets.
Foxtail millet and
Foxtail millet.
Yes.
And something on other items, if not khichdi or some other items she ordered.
We have paratha, aloo paratha and paneer paratha. That is made up of multi-millet.
Wow, I must say you're serving to all
And
the
you
people.
should try all the items.
My God. I mean, we always had a plain, no, aloo paratha because she's from North. She's a Punjabi
yes,
girl,
yes.
so she wants a lot of good food.
Yes.
So parathas are first response, you
Yeah,
know, first crave.
We are working on more North Indian cuisines. Now
Okay.
we are working on poha.
Okay,
Yeah.
poha. That
Yeah.
made up of what, like?
Jowar flakes.
Jowar poha.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so as you know, she's a celebrity in, you know, cinema. So has she got her friends? Their friends are coming from celebrity.
Yes,
They are
yes.
giving good
Yes,
response.
yes. Her friends came very frequently and they used to pass on the feedback. And we interact with customers every day. We are receiving good feedback.
So who are the Telugu celebrities who have come and they give good compliments?
Few singers came and few side artists came.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the actors whom she has worked with all big actors.
Yes, yes.
I think she has not left with any actor, yeah.
Most of the people used to order online also. We are serving from 10 locations in
Okay,
Hyderabad.
okay.
You can order anywhere from Hyderabad through Swiggy and Zomato. So most of the celebrities order on Swiggy and Zomato.
So like Ram Charan, Mahesh
Yeah, yeah.
Babu, Prabhas, or we talk
Yes.
about his co-stars, so many.
Yes, yes.
So Ram Charan sir has ordered something from here till
I
now?
am not sure.
Like what's his favorite? Or
I
the
am not
actors have ordered and what is their favorite from this restaurant?
No, I am not sure on this
Okay.
whether they order or not.
Ordered or not.
Yeah, yeah.
But most of the celebrities what liking from the popular item from this restaurant?
Basically, that varies. See, if you take South Indian items,
Yeah, sometimes
peop-
what happens, there is always a popular item
Yeah.
demand, like we
Yeah.
want this.
vegetable khichdi is
Vegetable
our killer.
khichdi.
Yeah.
Okay, for all the celebrities also.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That is the comfort food. You don't feel heavy even after having that meal.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing.
So well, let's go back. I mean, people are enjoying. So
You can
Aram
take
will
the
start.
feedback.
Yeah, Alaram. So Rakul ka, I think she did her shoot also. So I
Yes.
see it's a very simple restaurant. Like
Yes.
people always think when it's a restaurant
Basically,
of a celebrity.
everybody have a perception that
Yeah.
when any celebrity open in the restaurant, it should be more premium.
and this is
But
a
we are
Rakul in-
our
Rak-
prices are very low and it is accessible to all.
That's a good thing, but
Yeah.
mostly, you know, Rakul is a big star and people
Yes,
always,
yes.
that's her own restaurant. So
Yes.
we will always say, oh, she must have done so much. But I think this is so elegant and very simple, which
Our
is
goal
rated.
is
Food
simple.
should be
We
good.
want to make healthy food affordable and accessible to all. That's why we kept the minimal prices.
Very good. So let's go to that kitchen. You very nicely said Sri Anna Atiti Devo Bhava. So we'll go that side. So this is the place where we can have food. You said very
you
nicely recently that so many things are happening.
Yes, yes. You
Like-
can see the kitchen. There we prepare idli. This equipment we brought it from Bangalore. This
Okay.
is specially designed. Basically, there is a tendency that if we grind it batter, due to the heat generation in grinding, we will lose some nutrition. So we grind our batter in such a way that we do slow grinding for a more time.
Okay.
See, for example, if you are grinding at more speed for 10 minutes, it will kill all the nutrition in the batter. So we do for more time with less speed. That will keep the nutrition in the batter.
And then-
In that mission, we will have the temperature and time, so that we will give the proper SOPs.
But that this is an open kitchen because people
Yes.
can see their food preparation.
Yeah.
Because nowadays so many, GHMC and so many, raids are happening, and people are little bit scared
you
to
can
come.
you can see what is happening. See, we observe a lot of people coming with their kids to feed.
Yes,
In
yes,
especially
yes.
in the evening. So we don't want to compromise on quality. That's why we kept the open kitchen. It builds the honesty basically.
Yes, yes.
You can see the preparation of dosa. You can see the preparation of idli from
And the kitchen,
here.
how that's kept, what kind of ingredients are used, everything we can see.
Yes, yes.
Open,
We
everybody.
use almost top quality ingredients in every item.
So people can see it and have the
Yeah.
healthy food.
Yes, yes.
Because I know after this some news about the food restaurant, people are just getting little bit of myth, oh my God, will it be hygiene or not?
Yes,
So I think this is a better option. You can see your food, how it's get prepared, and nothing should be kept in the mind. You can have a healthy food. So as some of the dishes we can just go, I think this
As
is
many
your
as-
self-service.
Yeah.
Snacks also there.
Snacks we keep between 3 to 6
3
hours.
to 6. So we'll get a millet snacks also.
Yeah.
Like morning breakfast.
Yes.
Then you get lunch.
Lunch.
Then you get snacks.
Dinner.
In between
There we
snacks.
have menu.
Okay,
in
this
the
is the whole.
yes.
So very reasonable.
Yes.
Like puri. That's puri made up of what? Millets.
Finger millet. We
Finger
use finger
millets.
millet for that.
So finger millet puri is 90 rupees. Very reasonable, I
Yeah.
must say, and very healthy.
And one item will fill one person.
Okay, it's heavy.
Yeah, tummy full.
So what are the other? I say millet cheese karam, puri, iri.
Millet ghee karam
Okay.
puri idli.
So everything millet roti.
And we have kid friendly noodles also. See people.
Yeah, millet veg noodles.
Yeah.
That's
Recently we launched these two items.
okay. Millet paneer noodles. I must say, this is the need of the hour. People, children especially when
Yes,
come
yes.
out feeling unhealthy
They
food.
bore up of idli and dosa. That's
Yeah.
why we kept noodles, and this is made up of multi-millet.
So I think Rakul, you did a really wonderful job. I feel like complimenting. If you would have been there now, I would have given a big clap for you because really it's a need of the hour what you did. So I think through this video, I'm trying to express my happiness to you. So then how many months had happened now? This restaurant.
We opened exactly 1 month back, and we are witnessing 300 plus walk-in per day.
Oh my God.
Yeah, heavy walk-in, and on Saturday and Sunday it will take 15 minutes for you
People
to
wait.
get the table. Yeah.
Okay.
Most of the tables
So this is the
will come with children only. Yeah.
So this is the first millets restaurant, I must say, like by Rakul Singh, like first branch.
Yeah, there are few brands, but we take utmost care in every aspect. See, I told you
But
about
that
this
is
grinding process,
like
right?
Aramam has. This is the branch.
This is the
in
dine-in
Hyderabad.
restaurant. This is the only dine-in restaurant for now, and
okay.
we operate from 10 different locations across Hyderabad. That is cloud kitchens.
Okay.
We take orders through Swiggy and Zomato from 10 more locations.
And recently Rakul got married.
Yeah.
So in her marriage, what was the menu like? There was a section where she kept these all menu.
No, this
like in her,
started after her marriage.
Okay. So in from here, she like other cities, are you opening?
Today only Bangalore outlet went live. We started from 8 locations in Bangalore,
Okay.
and in June first week we are starting in Chennai also.
Okay, so she'll be there in Bangalore, Rakul, to open the
She
restaurant.
based it in Mumbai.
Oh yeah, she's there in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So she keeps coming and ordering her favorite food as you touch khichdi and all that.
Yes, yes.
So any other items she have suggested which you are working on in future?
Basically, we are working on pasta.
Okay.
Yeah, millet
Millets
pasta.
pasta.
Like millet noodles, we are working on millet pasta.
Okay.
And we are working on overnight porridges and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Has she visited her husband, like with her husband here?
No.
Okay. So, I mean, that's a great journey. I mean, you talk about. So, what 3 tips you will tell about millets? Like, we are missing in our life, like diabetes and
Yeah.
BP people, everybody can have it.
So you know, India is a diabetic capital of the world. Even nowadays, diabetic is there from the 35 years itself.
Yeah.
So everybody should include millets in their diet at least once in a day, so that it will control. Millets basically reduce the sugar spike levels in.
Yeah.
That.
That way. And what these snacks have been launched? These
Yes,
millet snacks?
Yes, yes.
Okay, we can show it. Okay, that we all eat na. In South India, we have what we call this millet.
This
snack.
is Joa ribbon pakoda.
Johar
Ribbon pakoda.
ribbon pakoda.
And we have muruku also there.
Murkuru.
1 minute.
This is made up of jowar.
Yes.
And
This
this
is
is-
made up of foxtail millet.
Foxtail millet.
Yeah.
I think one should have this. I have tasted the normal snacks, but never tasted this. This is, I must
you
say.
should try.
And very healthy.
Yes. When compared with the other restaurant, we use millets. On top of that, we use very less oil.
Okay.
See, for example, if you see any popular restaurant in Hyderabad, they pour tons of ghee and oil nowadays for dosa. But we use very minimal oil in
Okay.
preparation of dosa.
So I think right now you have these 2 snacks available.
Yeah, yeah. We are working on more snacks.
More snacks.
For now, we have only 2
2
SKUs.
snacks.
Yeah.
And as Rakul is a brand ambassador for our own brand. So as you told her khichdi in snacks, what is her favorite?
Muruku will give the better taste with khichdi.
Okay, so with khichdi, Rakul take this kind of snacks, like.
Yes, yes.
So I think today we discovered what is a healthy item she eats.
Even
She
everybody
likes,
have
yeah.
a habit of having some munchies
Yeah, in
with
South we eat
sambar
with
rice and
sambar
khichdis
rice.
and all right.
So with
this
khichdi, she'll take this.
Yeah.
I mean that's millets, everything.
Yeah.
So I must say, I mean, we discovered so much and a healthy way of getting. And as you are coming up with new millets noodles and everything, and you know, it's a great initiative. So I think when celebrities get involved, how it is like, you know, is it the pressure is more? Because her brand is all related to her. There is a pressure? People come and ask about her or what, like?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Whenever any celebrity is there, we should be more cautious even in terms of quality and taste also.
Yes.
When in a normal restaurant, if that taste or anything not up to the mark, nobody will question. But when Rakul is representing our brand, so we should be more cautious.
So before launching this restaurant, how much she was involved, like what kind of communication she was having, and what as like her in mind she used to guide you.
So she worked a lot in menu curation. We got multiple ideas. We, as a Hyderabadi person, I know about we know about idli and dosa, but she helped in curating North Indian menu like breads and parota. She,
Yeah, made up
that
of
is-
millets.
Yes.
So when she's shooting here, the food goes from here,
Yeah.
huh?
Yes.
Like for the production or for her
Yes.
crew.
Yes.
What kind of food she orders, like for all the people she's shooting with or for staff?
Basically, we have executive thalis also. You
Okay.
can try different types of.
Okay.
See, in executive thali, you will get the roti. You will get
All variety.
flavored rice. So, executive thali.
She'll order.
Yeah.
She'll order. And I think for her parties, we can all have healthy food. But whenever she's having party or some get together, I think Arambam will be,
Yes.
all food will be going healthy, right? So it's really great to know about anything you would like to add up or say something about the food and the health. They should try and come.
Basically, that is what everybody should be more conscious about what we
Nowadays.
are eating.
And especially for the kids also, you can
Yes,
have
yes.
the more
If you
millets.
take the calcium part in rice, in rice and wheat, we will have very less quantity of calcium. When compared with millets, we have high fiber content.
So what kind
high
of rice you are using? That millets
foxtail
and
millet. Foxtail millet. We
no
don't
plain,
use rice.
plain
Yes.
rice, nothing. So that will be a meal part.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am mentioning rice means, see, for example, lemon rice we will make with foxtail millet.
Foxtail millet,
Yeah.
right. But the taste, I think people are liking.
There is
Kids.
there is no need to worry about taste. Even you can check, you can interact with
Yeah, I
customers
can
who are
see
having the
people
food.
are having, and
We
there is
are-
a big smile in their face. I can see.
We are taking feedback from all the customers,
Even the
and
kids
we
are having. I
Yeah.
can see.
we are continuously improving on the every aspect.
Okay.
We see repetitive customers mostly. See, everybody have a myth that this won't good,
Won't
this
work,
won't
or
be
okay,
tasty.
one time we can try.
Yeah, but we have observed repetitive customer. If a person came today, again we are seeing him tomorrow. And
So millets
day
are
after
for
tomorrow.
every day.
Yeah.
Like
Yes, yes.
Oh.
That is the major motto.
Major.
We want to make day-to-day food
awareness
healthy.
and
Yeah.
basically awareness also.
Yes.
So well, sir, now you got very tempting dishes for me.
Yes,
So let's start. Let's show our viewers. This is a Rahul Preet Singh favorite vegetable khichdi made up of millets, right?
Foxtail millet.
Foxtail millets. I want my cameraman to show this visual because after seeing it, when you eat, it gives more of happiness, right?
Yeah.
So I
You-
think we should taste it also.
Yes, yes. You don't feel heavy after having this.
Okay.
It will be very light, and this is the comfortable food basically.
Okay.
See, you will be drowsy in afternoon after
Yes,
having
yes,
the lunch,
yes,
right?
yes.
But after this, you don't hear that dizziness and all.
So I think I am having Rahul, your favorite khichdi. Maza aa gaya. And I don't feel like it's made up of millet.
Yeah, that is the thing.
That is more, more what we say that? Yummy.
Yes.
So I mean that's a dish or khichdi idea given by Rahul to you,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So this is your idea, I must say. That's a great idea. Okay. With khichdi, she takes papad also. So
she
what
takes
is a
the-
normal? Okay, she takes this one. So I must tell you, with khichdi, she'll take this. And pickles she likes?
Yes.
She takes pickle also?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
But this will give the spiciness. This is not spicy. This will give the spiciness to few
Favorite,
people
yeah,
want it.
khichdi
Yeah.
with that.
Yeah.
Okay, now what's next? This is also her favorite?
Yes, this is the millet kheer.
Millet kheer. Okay.
This is made up of foxtail millet,
Okay.
and we don't use sugar in this. This is made up of jaggery basically.
Wow.
Yeah.
I must say, yaar. I mean, that
You
idea
should
also
try.
given by
Yes, yes.
Rahul,
yes.
ma'am.
Basically, in all
She's a
menus.
great inventor, I must say. I don't feel like that.
Yes, yes. You don't feel this is made up of millet. Everything will be normal to your.
The kind of, everything is so specific.
Yes, yes.
I must say, Rahul, to you. I mean, see, I'm expressing her views also. If she would have been there, I would have really
You
complimented
can't
her.
even find the difference whether it is made up of millet or.
Are you sure
rice.
there is
Yes.
no sweet in this?
This is made up of jaggery. We don't
Jaggery,
use sugar.
okay,
Yeah.
just more.
Yeah.
It's yummy. I'm having great time, I must say.
And
Okay,
this is-
now this is a thali. This is actually executive thali.
Yes, yes.
Which she actually order for her friends or relative or
Yes,
when
even
she's shooting.
when people used to order this in lunchtime basically.
Okay.
This
this-
consists of flavored rice. We change this every day.
Okay,
One day.
what is this?
This is today lemon rice.
Okay.
Yeah, one day this will be lemon rice, one day this will be jeera rice.
Okay, okay.
We change this every day.
This
and
is?
this is ghee sambar rice. This is also made up of millets.
Ghee sambar rice.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is?
This is kurma, vegetable kurma.
Oh, wow.
And this is multigrain roti. This
So
consists.
soft.
Yeah. This
Okay.
consists ragi, bajra, and jowar in this.
Okay.
And this is again millet kheer, millet curd rice.
And this is millets
Curd
curd
rice.
rice.
Curd rice.
Wow. I mean, I just can't believe it. Like, millets go the way you have come up with, and the taste, it doesn't feel like, you know, that
Yes,
it's
yes.
a millet.
You don't find the taste difference at all. We worked in such a way that nobody should notice the taste difference.
Difference.
And see, this foxtail millet best fitted for our lunch items.
Ah.
Ragi and jowar fit for our breakfast items. So, which millet we should use in which dish? That we cracked, and that's
No,
why you don't feel
I'm
the
very
difference.
fond of lemon rice, Rakul. So I want to taste this.
That is millet lemon, tomato rice. Yeah.
Doesn't look like. Wow, what
And
a
this is
incredible-
jowar idli.
That. Okay, this is jowar idli. So soft.
Yeah. You just
Wow, it's so soft than the normal one.
Yeah.
I must say.
just color there will be difference, but in terms of taste or softness there won't be any difference.
It's more good.
Huh?
It's more tasty
Yeah.
than the normal
You can
one.
feel that jowar taste in this.
And these chutneys are normal.
This is peanut chutney and this is ginger chutney. Yeah.
I must say, I mean, I can't imagine that it is so yummy.
And this is ragi dosa. Have a try this.
And one bite. You know, all the items are so soft and
Yes. And we don't use rice in this.
no rice. This is millet dosa.
Ragi dosa.
Ragi
Yeah,
dosa.
finger millet.
Mostly, how you make this so soft? Ragi don't come so soft
I
either.
told you, no, we need to grind for more time with less RPM.
Okay, there has a technique of doing
Yes,
it.
yes.
Because
Otherwise
if you see
this will-
ragi dosa, I must say, I want to show, it's so soft. See? Mostly what happens, ragi becomes a little bit
Hard,
karak.
yes. Even roti also it will be kadak.
Yeah, it's so soft. I can see, if I can show to my cameraman, it don't look like it's a ragi roti.
Yes. Yes.
It's so soft, see? I mean, I must say, I mean, how it is so soft. Wow. Super. I mean, I would love to advise people to come and have
Yes,
this.
yes.
And you can have a lot of health changes in your life, I think. You can have your yummy food and with this all. So Rakul, it's a great invention, I must say. Your khichdi and kheer is a great invention, great initiative. And I think more and more, as I told you, more of the items you have to discover more.
Yes, yes. Our target is for every 15 days we should add new item in the menu. In that way
Healthy
we are
items.
working. Yeah.
So that was great. I mean, thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
thank you.
Thank you so much for all this
Thank
and
you.
for the healthy food tasting.
And you should try ragi
Yeah,
malt.
that's what's that?
Ragi malt basically.
She likes that. She takes
Yes.
most of the time.
This is made up of buttermilk and ragi flour.
Okay.
This is a summer drink basically. It will bring down your
Yes,
body's
yes, the
heat.
body temperature and everything. I must say thank you so much. I love the food and thank you so much, Rakul, for this great invention. So thank you so much, Venkat
Thank you.
Garu. I mean, for just sharing your journey and story. What kind of food is available? I must say the millets noodles, then millets lemon rice. I mean, these are the good things which
Yes.
people eat on daily basis. So I think we hope that you open more of the branches and
Yes.
keeps coming with
Thank
new
you.
healthy items. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that was actually a great tour, I mean, and great knowledge about the millets. That in a daily basis, if we have millets in our diet, it will actually give you a great boost. And I think the more awareness need to be done. So you can come and enjoy, have millets food, breakfast, snacks, dinner, everything. I mean, nothing to hide, you know. So for more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.